Good morning, students. Let me start today class. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 1.4 ninth question. See, a function f is defined by f of x. Here function value, three function value is given and condition also it is given. If x is greater than 1 means x plus 2. Function value is x plus 2. Next, minus 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1 means function value will be 2. Next, minus 3 is less than x is less than minus 1 means f of x value will be x minus 1 function value. Then we want to find the value of asked questions. Okay, see solution. First, given solution, given function, sorry, not solution, given function. First, x plus 2 to x minus 1. So first you should values one, right? Here x is greater than 1 means, okay, so x is greater than 1 means more than 1 we want to choose. Yes, so more than 1 you should choose means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to etc. to infinity. Okay, more than 1. Next, here x value is lies between minus 1 to 1. Then means here you will get minus 1 to choose because less than or equal it is given. So minus 1, next number is 0, next value is 1. 1 also want to choose because equal is given, less than or equal to 1. Next, this value we want to choose. Minus 3 is less than x is less than minus 1. So minus 3 and minus 1 in between value you want to choose minus 2 alone. Okay, this interval it will take minus 2 alone. Now ask the question want to find. Find first one, first point f of 3. So you consider this is first interval, this is second interval, this is third interval. Okay, so this is first, this is second interval, this is third interval you keep. Now you check f of 3. 3 where will be there? First, here only it is coming. Okay, so the number 3 lies between first interval. So first interval means f of x we want to choose first interval. Then means f of x you want to choose x plus 2. Then means f of x you want to choose x plus 2. So instead of x you want to substitute 3 means f of 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 value is 5. Okay, therefore f of 3 value is 5. So like that you want to find remaining answers. Okay, then now second point you see f of 0. So 0 is lies between which interval you see? 0 is lies between second, here only 0 is coming, so lies between second interval. Second interval means f of x you want to choose, f of x want to choose 2. So see f of x is 2 means then f of instead of x is 0. But here answer is given already 2. It means f of 0 value also what you will receive? 2 only you will receive. Okay, this is second point. Then third point you see, third point f of minus 1.5. Okay, minus 1.5 where will come you see? So here minus 1 only is there. So minus 1 is after that only it will come. What is that? Minus 1.5. Then means it is comes with the minus 2. Therefore minus 1.5 lies in third interval. Third interval only we will get this value. Minus 2 inside only minus 1.5 is there. So that this f of x value you want to choose x minus 1. Now instead of x you substitute minus 1.5 means instead of x minus 1.5 minus 1. You should add this to minus 2.5 you will receive. So third answer is minus 2.5. Now fourth one you see, fourth point is asked f of 2 plus f of minus 2. This 2 you want to add. That means first f of 2 value want to find. So 2 lies in which interval? Plus 2. So 2 lies in first interval. So first interval means we want to choose f of x. So want to choose f of x is equal to, first interval means f of x value is x plus 2. Now instead of x you substitute 2. It means 2 plus 2 you should add, we will receive 4. Okay. Then next you see minus 2. F of minus 2. F of minus 2. So minus 2 is lies in third interval. Lies in third interval means f of x you want to choose x minus 1. Okay. So instead of x you substitute minus 2. So minus 2 of x value minus 2 minus 1. So you should add minus 3 you will get. Therefore this 2 value you should add means f of 2 value is 4 plus f of minus 2 value is minus 3. So plus into minus minus, so 4 minus 3 you will receive the answer is 1. You will receive the answer is 1. Okay, that's all. So with the help of first you want to write this f of x, what are the values? This interval, okay, interval is given. This interval, what are the values you will get? Like that you should change first interval, second interval, third interval. According to that you choose and you simplify, you will receive answer. Okay, in your book example also like that one question is there. So they did one other method, but you want to follow this method and you work out, it is easy. Okay. See next 10th question, a function at the same 9th sum model. A function f is closed interval minus 5 to 9. Then means minus 5 to 9, in between all the values it will take domain. Tends to codomain is R. Then function value is given f of x is equal to 6x plus 1, 5x square minus 1, 3x minus 4. And x, what are the values want to substitute? Interval values is given. Then we want to find the value of first point, second, 4 points are asked in this. Okay, see first solution. First what want to do? So given f of x, you should change and write first. First is 6x plus 1. What are the values you will get? You check. 5x square minus 1, 3x minus 4. X, what are the values you will choose? Here minus 5 is less than or equal is there. Then means minus 5 want to choose, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Okay, 1. 2 should not choose because less than 2. 2 you should stop. 2 before number 1. So you should stop at 1. Next x, what are the values you will choose? Means 2 to 6. Then means 2 want to choose because less than or equal is there. So 2, 3, 4 and then 5. That's all. Less than 6 means 5 you should stop. Next see, next this one is actually this is 9. Okay, then means x, what are the values you will choose? See 6, 7 because less than or equal. So 6, 7, 8 up to 8. Then this also is less than or equal or not, you see. Here it is given less than or equal. It means 9 also want to choose. Less than or equal. So 9. So first these are the values want write. Now first point you see f of minus 3 plus f of 2. Now first value you choose f of minus 3. Minus 3 lies between which interval you see? Lies between. So you consider this is first interval. This is second interval. This is third interval. Okay, consider. So minus 3 where is there? In first interval only is there. So it lies between first interval. Then means f of x you want to choose 6x plus 1. Now instead of x minus 3. So 6 times of minus 3 plus 1. So 6 3s are minus 18 plus 1. So you will get minus 17. Minus 17. Next f of 2 want to find. Okay, f of 2. So see, next f of 2. 2 lies in which interval you check? 2 lies in plus 2 is lies in second interval. That means f of x you want to choose 5x squared minus 1. So instead of x 2 want to substitute, therefore 5 of 2 power squared minus 1. Now 5 of 2 square value 4 minus 1. 5 fours are 20 minus 1. You will get 19. So you will get 19. Therefore, two values also we received. Then means what is the values? This is equal to f of minus 3 value we received minus 17 plus f of 2 value we received 9. Now this 2 you should add, means 19, 17 is given, remaining 2. So 2 is the answer. Okay. So next step, second point you see, what does that means? F of 7 minus f of 1. First, f of 7 you choose, 7 lies in which interval? Third interval. Third interval. Then means f of x you want to choose 3x minus 4. Now instead of x 7, so 3 of 7 minus 4. 3 sevens are 21. 21 minus 4. You should subtract, means we will get 17. So this value 17. Now next f of 1 want to find. See next f of 1. So f of 1 lies in which interval? 1 lies in first interval. So first interval means f of x want to choose 6x plus 1. Now instead of x 1. So 6 times of 1 plus 1. 6 ones are 6 plus 1 7. So both answer also we received. Now you should substitute, means therefore f of 7 value is, what is that? F of 7 is we received as a 17. 17 minus f of 1 value we received 7. So 17 minus 7 we will receive as a answer 10. Okay. So step by step you want to write. For me space is not enough, so that I am rubbing and writing. So you should continuously write. So second point over. Next third point you see what it is asked. Third point. Third point is asked 2 times of f of 4 plus f of 8. Now first f of 4 don't consider as a 2. First f of 4 you consider. So f of 4 lies in which interval? Second interval. So second interval means f of x want to choose 5x squared minus 1. Now instead of x you substitute 4, means f of 4 is equal to 5 of 4 squared minus 1. So 5 of 4 squared is 16. 16 minus 1. Now 5 16s are you should multiply, means you will get it as a 80. Okay. 80 minus 1 you will receive as an answer 79. You will receive as an answer 79. Now f of 4 we received. Next f of 8. Next f of 8. So consider 8 lies in which interval? 8 lies in third interval. Then means f of x want to choose 3x minus 4. So instead of x 8. So 3 times of 8 minus 4. 3 8s are 24 minus 4. So you should subtract 24 minus 4. You will receive as a 20. Okay. Will receive as a 20. Therefore both answer also we received. You should substitute, means. So here this question is equal to 2 times of f of 4 is 79. So before 2 is there. So 2 times of 79 plus this value is 20. So 2 17s are 279s are 279s are 158 plus 20 you should add. You will receive the answer 178. Okay. So third point over. Next is see fourth point. 2 times of f of minus 2 plus minus f of 6 divided by f of 4 plus f of minus 2. This value want to find first. So now first f of minus 2 you take. F of minus 2 lies in which interval you see? Minus 2 lies in first interval. Minus 2 lies in first interval means f of x want to choose 6x plus 1. Now instead of x minus 2, so 6 times of minus 2 plus 1. 6 2s are minus 12, minus 12 plus 1, you will receive answer minus 11. Minus 11. Okay. So f of minus 2, we received answer minus 11. Next, f of 6 want to find. F of 6. So see, f of 6. So 6 lies in which interval? 6 lies in third interval. Then means f of x want to choose 3x minus 4. Now instead of x 6. So 3 times of 6 minus 4. Okay. So 6 3s are 18 minus 4. Remaining 14. 18 minus 4 14. Okay, f of 6 value we received. Already f of 4 value we found. Okay, what is that? Before question only we found f of 4 value. Therefore, here f of 4 directly we can write 79. F of 4 is 79. Already f of minus 2 we received minus 11. Now, therefore, you should substitute in this 2 times of f of minus 2 value is minus 11 minus f of 6 value we received as the minus 14 by this f of 4 value is 79 plus f of minus 2 value we received as a minus 11. Now, so 2 11s are first you should multiply. 2 11s are minus 22 minus 14 by 79 11 go means plus into minus minus, so 79 minus 11. Now simplify, minus 22 minus 14 we will receive as a minus 36 whole divided by 79 11 go means 9 minus 1 8, 7 minus 1 8. So minus 36 by 88. Now this you should simplify. So sorry, 79 minus 11 you should subtract here 68. 68. Now you should cancel with the 9 4 table. 4 table cancel means 9 4s are 36 minus 9 divided by 17 4s are 68. So minus 9 by 17 is the answer. See next 12th question. So 11th question we will see later. Then 12th question you see the function t. The function t which is maps temperature in Celsius. Actually temperature in Celsius is tends to Fahrenheit. So Celsius you change into Fahrenheit defined at by T of C. Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit. T of C is equal to F. Where here Fahrenheit value is given 9 by 5 C plus 32. Okay, 1 C, 1 Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit value is 9 by 5 Celsius plus 32. This is F value. Then we want to find the value of when Celsius is 0 degree means temperature is Fahrenheit is what is that? When Celsius is 28 degree means the Fahrenheit is what is that? Then the Celsius is minus 10 degree, then Fahrenheit is you want to find the values. Then 4th and 5th question also will be there that we will see find. Okay. See solution. First given T of C is equal to F. Now T of C is equal to where F is given. What is that? 9 by 5 C plus 32. Okay. Because F is given. F value is given. So you substitute. Now first value T of 0. So T of 0. That means instead of C you should substitute 0. T of C is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Instead of C you should substitute 0. So 9 by 5 of 0 plus 32. You should multiply with the divide any number with the 0, answer is 0. 0 plus 32 you should add 32 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, when the Celsius is 0 degree, then Fahrenheit is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, then next the second point, when T of 28 20 degree Celsius means T of C. We know what is that? 9 by 5 C plus 32. Now instead of C you should substitute 28. So 9 by 5 of 28 plus 32. Now you should simplify this. So this you should cancel first. 5 ones are 5. This you should separate. 28 it should divided by 5 means, okay, how much? Here 5 6 5s are 30. That means 5 only. 5 5s are 25. Remaining 3 we cannot divide 0. You should add 1 0 here. Point keep, you should add 1 zeros. Next 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. So 5.6. So 5 into 28 you should divide means remaining 5.6. Now 9 of 5.6 plus 32. Now this you should multiply means 9 6 are 54. 5 9 5 are 45. 50. So 50.4 plus 32. You should add, we will get 82.4 degree Fahrenheit. 82.4 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. So you should simplify first 28 and 5 you should cancel. We will get 5.6. You should multiply with 9, 50.4. After that you should add with 32. We will receive this answer. Then third point, T of minus 10. So we know already T of C is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. So instead of C minus 10. So 9 by 5 of minus 10. C value is minus 10 plus 32. So cancel 5 table. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. So 9 twos are minus 18. Minus 18 plus 32. 9 twos are minus 18. Multiplication. So 9 twos are minus 18 plus 32. You should subtract this. We will get 32. 18 go means remaining 14 degree Fahrenheit. 14 degree Fahrenheit. This is okay. So 3 points over. Then fourth point is, what does that means? Fourth point is find the value of C. Now we want to find the value of C when T of C, Fahrenheit value is given. So T of C is equal to 212. So T of C is given 212. Now, so we know T of C is equal to 212 means, so T of C is 9 by 5 C, 9 by 5 C plus 32 is equal to 212. Now simplify this. 9 by 5 C alone keep this side. 212 plus 32, that side go minus 32. Now 9 by 5 C of this you should subtract 0. 2 minus 2 0. Taking borrow 11. 11 minus 3 8. Here 1 will be there. 180. Okay. 180. Now C only you want. C is equal to 9 by 5. That side go means 9 by 5. This side go means 180 reciprocal. So 5 by 9. Now 9 into 180 we can cancel means 20. So 20 into 5 you should multiply 100 degree. Okay. 100 degree Celsius. When T of C value is 212 means C is 100 degree Celsius. Okay. Next is see fifth point. The temperature when the Celsius value is equal to the Fahrenheit value. Which temperature? The two values should be equal. The Celsius and Fahrenheit will be equal. Okay. So you see given Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit, first you choose. C is equal to F. Now C you keep C. Fahrenheit already you know that F is 9 by 5 C plus 32. Yes. This you should write now. Now you should simplify, you will receive answer now. Next step. So first this side what is there? This side here denominator 5, here there is no denominator. So 5 you should multiply first. So C is equal to 9C plus 5 you should multiply means 5 2s are 10, remaining 1, 15, 16, 160. 160 whole divided by 5. You want to take it as a LCM. This step, because your denominator is not there, so that we want to take it as LCM. Now this division 5, this side comes multiplication 5. So 5C is equal to 9C plus 160. Okay, now we need C. So plus 9C this side comes means minus 9C is equal to 160. Subtract means minus 4C is equal to 160. Now C only you want. So 160 this plus here minus 4 will go down. Okay, now you should cancel this. We will receive as a C is equal to minus 40 degree. Okay, 4 4s are 16, so 40 degree. When the temperature and the Fahrenheit, when they will be equal, the temperature is 40 degree. Minus 40 degree means the Celsius and the Fahrenheit value will be equal. Okay, that's all.